Thanks for watching, everybody. My name is Eric Fivecoats with Wickum Weld. Today we have a Wickum Weld drawer module unit. This fits inside of one of our standard boxes. We use a front drawer release that actuates a lock-in, lock-out slide. It actuates a lever on the drawer slide inside here. This drawer slide will lock out in the out position, and of course it will also lock in the in position. So all of these drawers are set up that way. We use 1/8" aluminum on our drawer sides. We use 1/8" aluminum on our drawers. This top back helps secure the module so it isn't racking around in the box. Depending on the application, we can change the height of the riser. These are heavy-duty drawer slides. They're about 3 inches tall, 3/4 wide. Stainless steel fasteners. We use aircraft-style huck rivets to attach the drawer slides to the module. And we use stainless steel fasteners with nylock nuts to attach the drawer slides to the drawer. We also use stainless steel fasteners and nylock nuts to attach the front drawer release. If you need to remove a drawer, you can unbolt the drawer from the slides. You can remove the bottom drawer, install the unit, and then bolt the bottom drawer back in. We laser cut all these parts to fit. If you'd like more information on Wickum Weld drawer modules, please give us a call, 360-695-2371, and we'll get you in touch with the dealer near you. You can also visit our website at www.wickumweld.com. Thanks for watching.
Don't be an idiot. Don't put all this crap in the video. You look like a moron.
All right, you ready?